Hi guys, so in today's video I am gonna show you how I made this t-shirt. Okay, not made the t-shirt, but how I made this. Not that it's too difficult, but the reason for doing this is because I want to, like I said, I want to use the KHOI KRULLE for the rest of the August. Now I should have made this t-shirt in the beginning of the month and then starting with the KHOI KRULLE, but yeah, anyways, so I'm just gonna it's the 13 August 12, I don't know, but yeah, so I've already started with the KHOI KRULLE. I'm only using KHOI KRULLE. So maybe in September when it's the, I don't know which month, then I'm gonna measure my hair again, how to see how much my hair has grown in this time of only using the KHOI KRULLE. So yeah, I'm gonna show you now how I made the t-shirt, did the length check t-shirt, whatchamacallit, you know,